going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, yeah, you saw the thumbnail, the boat's gotta go. It's taking up all the room in this garage. I mean, clearly you guys see I have no room here. Look at this, with the truck in here and the boat in here, I can't even get to my toolbox. I can't get to the workbench. My welding area is getting a little tight. I mean, look at this, I can't even get to my product. It takes forever. So I've got to get this thing out, and this boat has to go. And well, stay tuned, we're gonna take it out. But before I take it out, I need a cameraman. So today, I have hired a cameraman.
What is going on, guys? I am the cameraman for Eddie's life today. I hope you enjoy this video. I might not be as good as Eddie, but
he's great. And guys, also, he has a YouTube channel. It's for his son, actually. It's called Nick's Toy World. I'll put the link right here. You'll see it pop up.
Kids.
Yeah, if you guys got any kids, you can go follow him, and you know, maybe the kids will enjoy it. I know some of us, you know, we're not gonna watch toys, but maybe your kids will enjoy it.
It's good videos.
But if there's any camera problems today, guys,
it's on me.
Here it is.
Don't be too harsh on the comments, please.
Yeah, give it to him, guys. Stick it to him.
Hey, I'll do my best.
All right, let's see what he's got. So we're gonna pull this thing out. And no, we're not starting the truck up. I know you guys think, oh, Dirty Max over here, a girl pulls it out. No, Dirty Max does not pull her out. She gets hooked up to the tractor, and the tractor pulls it in and out because it's a lot easier to maneuver with the tractor than it is with the truck. Okay, guys, so the goal here is, as you guys know, I want to build another garage right over here. And I got to make sure that when I pull the boat out of the garage, I can make this turn without smashing all the plants here or smashing my garage over there. With the tractor, so it's kind of tight. I was thinking about originally, instead of putting in a garage this way, I was just gonna put a garage straight like this. Well, just because it's easy, you know, you pull in, back right up. But then I'm thinking, well, the whole house is, as you guys see, and I'll show you up here, the whole house is angled, you know, this way. So the garage is angled that way, you know, the house is turned that way. So if you have just a building that is straight like this, it might seem funny. I don't know. Comment down below, let me guys know what you think. So instead of doing it this way, what we were going to do is put some dirt there, put a retaining wall, build just a retaining wall right there, push the fence back maybe a little bit to give me more room, but put a retaining wall, concrete this whole thing, and then come on in here and stick the boat in. The problem is it's going to be a very, very sharp turn with the tractor to pull the boat out. I'd have to come in, you know, the tractor from here, back it up, and cut it, and hopefully I can spin the boat around like that. But we don't know. You know, I'm not sure. What we do know is I do need more garage space, and this isn't going to work because it's just taking up my whole garage unless I figure out a way to make that one bigger. So now Anthony is going to be the cameraman. He's going to record this, and we're going to hook it up, pull this thing out, and hopefully everything goes good and smoothly. Did you put the prop up already?
I put the prop up already.
Okay, he's got the prop up, so we're good to go. Let's do this. So we gotta let the glow plug warm up on old girl here because it's been a while. She hasn't ran in a while. So if you guys see here, gotta hold this key like this until the glow plug warms up. The little glow plug is right up here. You can't really see it glow. I just stick my finger over it and you'll feel it get a little hot. That should be good. All right, let's start her up. Look at her purr like a kitten. Woo! Okay, now that old girl's warmed up here, we're gonna back her up and hook her onto the boat.
Down, slow. More. A little bit to your right. Down. Go back. Back. Pull up, back. Stop.
We on?
You're on.
All right, it's that easy. We will put her down just a little bit to get her sitting right on that ball here. Or what's nice, also you can just adjust that, lift that up or down. But I just like to lock it in sooner than later, just so I know it's good, locked up. Wait for that to come off. There we go. She's off the wood. Boom, let's lock this down onto here. All right, lock this down onto here, a little safety precaution there so she doesn't come off and we don't lose her, and we will be good to go. All right, Anthony, so you're gonna make sure when I pull out, I don't smash all Dirty Max over there.
I will make sure, because your fans are not gonna like me.
My life.
You're good.
How's everything looking?
It's looking good. You have a lot of room on the side.
I clear the truck?
You're clear.
So you guys see why it's difficult with the truck and why I got to deal with the tractor. So usually with the truck, I have pulled the boat out before with the truck. I pull out and I just pull right out and get out of here. But if I want to turn this thing around like this, you got to have a tractor because, well, you clearly see how much I got to turn this thing to get this to twist. So now we're going to try to get it back in there and hopefully it fits so we can get the garage in there.
Take 3. Start turning.
Not gonna work. I gotta go closer.
All right. Take 5.
Okay guys, so clearly that idea is not going to work because I'll run over all these plants. So, we gotta think of something else. We're just gonna take a quick break and we'll be back right after these messages. Okay, now we're back. I'm glad you guys watched that commercial. Thank you for that. But, I got an idea. What we're gonna try to do this time, instead of me backing it up like what we're doing right there, I'm going to try to just pull the tractor straight, all the way right there. Go ahead, cameraman, show them. So we're going to go all the way straight over there, and then try to just back right in like that. If that works, well, that would have been the smarter thing to do. But we don't know if that's going to work yet. So now we got to go down below, turn this thing back around, and come straight in and try that. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's do this.
This don't work, guys. Nothing's gonna work. I think we're gonna have to make another garage here for the small stuff and just leave the boat in the big garage. So here we go. Well, guys, it's a failure. We are not gonna be able to get this boat in here. So it looks like we're gonna try it one more way, but it looks like the garage is probably gonna have to go this way. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Would it bother you guys if the garage was this way? Or would it be better if your garage was matching with the big garage? Alright guys, so we know it fits. If I back the boat in, it fits straight. It goes perfect, no problems. It looks like that's the only option that I'm going to have. I cannot get this thing to cut enough. It gets too close to the garage. And even when I go straight, I don't have enough room to turn because I'm going to smash into that rock right there. And even if the rock wasn't there, I would still, the tractor would have to be up on the hill. It'd be a little sketchy. So looks like the only thing we're going to be able to do is back the tractor or the boat straight into there. But as of right now, we're going to go put this back in the big garage now because it's going to rain here shortly. So we want to get this in the garage.
So, you think Daddy should put the garage right there? You think I should put the garage right there?
No.
Yeah or no?
No.
Thumbs up or for yeah?
No.
No, thumbs down?
No.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Put the fat cat back in the garage. If you hit your truck, Eddie's life has to retire and get a new truck. get a new page. Yeah, so I can't do that to your fans. Eddie's live. I'm watching your truck. No, I want these fans to see you.
Oh, the hell?
No, the truck's replaceable. We're good. Go back. Just go straight back, cousin. Go straight back. If Daddy hits his truck, what color truck should he get next? Purple or blue?
Purple blue.
Purple and blue? Duramax? Okay, we'll tell Daddy. When he edits this video, he's gonna see this. We'll get him a purple Duramax. A blue Jeep? A purple Jeep. Almost there, cousin. You're almost there. Let's go. Drop it. You're good. You're good. You're good.
So guys, that is the process of putting the boat in here. As you guys see clearly, I've done it before with the truck. It's a little difficult with the truck. It makes it a lot easier with the tractor just because you can maneuver this thing a little more easier than you can with the truck, obviously. But it looks like we're not sure the garage situation right now. I don't know, maybe we do a rebuild on this. Who knows? Well, there you have it, guys. This thing clearly is not going to work over there the way we wanted it to work. So the boat is back in this garage now. We're gonna have to figure something out, go back to the blueprints, game plan, maybe call D-Max Randall, get him over here and figure out what we're gonna do, what's the best way to do this, and how we're gonna do this. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any ideas, comment down below what you think I should do. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.